Finally, the wait is over. HK official website is now going to launch in front of you. So let's count down, and finally the website is officially live. Yes, guys, from today you can access subject wise notes and complete semester bundles directly from my official website. So, let me tell you how to access it. Go simply on any of your browser and type hkofficial.in, and this will directly redirect you onto the official website of HK Official. So I hope you like everything and you will love this website from heart. Everything you will get over here, and completely it is specially created for SPPU engineering students. Currently it is especially for third year semester 6 students, as the subjects currently available are only for third year semester 6 students, but completely we are going to update it for first year, second year, and complete third year notes as well. So this is just the beginning. Now, let me explain how the website is structured for all of you guys. You will get the UI very simple so that you can understand everything very easily. Here, let me explain how the website is completely structured for your notes. The first thing is any of your subject, if you go and click on it, you will get two sections. The first is unit wise section, and the second one is master solution section. So, if you want specific units for quick preparation or selective study, only you need notes and not master solutions, then you can purchase only unit wise notes separately. And if you want complete PYQ solution, complete solved answers for Insem and Endsem focused preparation, master solutions are also available separately, which will cost different. Now, notes plus master solution, that is the cost effective bundle, so that is also present for all of you guys, which is at a very cost effective price, and this option is highly recommended. Okay, so all of the subject notes are completely present in such way. The most important and the powerful option is complete semester bundle, guys. So currently the bundle includes for third year semester 6 students WT, DSBDA, and AI. And later, if I upload any elective subject notes like IS or cloud computing, any, if it is an option, but if I upload them, then you will automatically get that particular subject included inside the bundle. So bundle buyers will always stay at an advantage. Okay, and a very important update, soon I will start uploading one shots for third year semester 6 students one by one. So your preparation will become even stronger, notes plus one shots combination. Okay, नाउ बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के कमेंट्स आ रहे थे फॉर क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग इलेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट. सो इफ टाइम persists, I will upload Insem preparation notes on the website itself. So but one shots for cloud computing are not possible, so please keep that in mind. And if you want notes according to 2024 pattern as well, you can comment below. If I see high demand, I will start working on 2024 pattern notes as well. Okay, now the very very important thing, please listen very carefully. This is only and only for today. We have an early bird offer. So the complete semester bundle price is 1499, right? So but for today only, use coupon code that is early HK50. You will get the coupon code in description as well. This coupon is applicable only for the first 50 students who purchase the bundle. After 50 students, the coupon will automatically stop working. Okay, so if you are serious about scoring smart, this is your chance, and you will get 10% off on the bundle today itself. So don't wait, because once 50 students grab it, offer is gone. Okay, so this thing is only and only available for today. Clear? And before I end this video, I want to give a huge shout out. This entire HK official website was built by a student just like you. His name is Sulesh Wagmare. I will upload his details in description. He is not any big agency or he doesn't belong to any of the company. He is a student like you studying from the SPPU University, and he built this platform for HQ official and for thousands of students. So if you like the website experience, drop a comment appreciating him as well, and anything beautiful you can write about him. His details I'll say I will give in the description, and you will also see the developer name over here. So everything is maintained and reviewed by him, and he is the pro and the best developer I know. So please appreciate him. Otherwise you can go and just scroll onto this website. You can see everything, like if any live Q&A session or webinar upcoming, you will get the notification here. You can also update your support and feedback things, your comments, your anything you want to say, your message, everything I will get over here, and you will get the response in within 24 hours from my side. Okay, today I just want you guys to go log in and buy the bundle if you are from third year semester 6 student. Otherwise, if you are not from the this semester, you are from first year, second year, third year, or 2024 batch student, you can keep login into this particular website and you will get all of the notification regarding your particular notes. Okay, so I hope that you like this website, and this is just the beginning. Slowly HK official will become a complete academic support platform for first year, second year, and third year students, and completely going to be for both 2019 and 2024 patterns. So this will be the complete long term thing which we are going to build as HK official. So I hope you got it. And yes, this was the complete launch. Website link is in the description. Go check it out right now. Choose your subject, choose your style, use the coupon before it expires, and let's score smart, not just study hard. So HK official is officially live. Thank you.